Hello FTG friends and family. My name is Yazmine Fuentes and I am the illustrator of FTG's Coloring Books. But I'm excited to announce that I am the new magazine editor for our very own FTG Kids Magazine. Woo! How exciting! How exciting would it be to have a magazine where you can recap all the lessons you learned with Amy, coloring pages, crossword puzzles, learn how to make some yummy food recipes, fun facts about animals, jokes, and read stories about the goodness of God and so much more. But I need your help. Yes, you silly, I need your help. I want to know about you. What's your name? How old you are? What's your favorite color? Your favorite books? Your favorite stories, songs, and more. I want you to feel like you're a part of what FTG is doing. I want you to have the opportunity to express, to develop, and communicate through your creativity, to learn about the gifts God has given you, and get a chance to see your name in our very own magazine. How exciting! I will put all the questions that I need you to answer in the comment section below. So please answer all the questions in the comment section below, then hit submit. I look forward to getting to know you.